Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you an easy method for drying flowers using silica gel. To begin, you'll need a few essential items. First, select fresh flowers that are fully bloomed and free of any moisture. You'll also need a good amount of silica gel, an airtight container, and a small, soft brush. Having these materials ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare your beautiful flowers. Carefully trim the stems, leaving about 1 inch of stem attached to the bloom. Remove any leaves or foliage that might be present. Next, pour a layer of silica gel, approximately 1 inch deep, into the bottom of your airtight container. Gently place your prepared flowers face up on this gel layer, making sure there is a small space between each bloom. With your flowers in place, it's time for the drying magic to happen. Slowly and carefully pour more silica gel over the flowers, ensuring they are completely submerged and covered. This step is crucial for even drying. Once covered, securely seal the airtight container. The drying time will vary, typically taking anywhere from 2 to 7 days, depending on the size and type of your flowers. After the drying period, it's time for the exciting reveal. Carefully open your container and gently scoop out the dried flowers. Use your small, soft brush to delicately remove any silica gel particles clinging to the petals. Your flowers should now be perfectly preserved. To maintain their beauty, store them in a dry, cool location, away from direct sunlight, where they can be admired for a long time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.